How to fix Play Store missing from Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will see some steps to troubleshoot and restore if the Google Play Store is missing in your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that if the Play Store is disabled. So for that, open up Settings. Tap on Apps, tap on See All Apps, tap on the three dots from the top right, then tap on Show System. Now tap on the search icon and search for Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store and make sure it is enabled. If it is disabled, simply tap on Enable. Once you have enabled it, now your Google Play Store is restored in your device and then you will be able to find it in your Android device again. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.